exploring the values of unity and liberty. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting and important topic that resonates with many aspects of our lives: unity and liberty. These two words carry significant weight and meaning, and understanding them is crucial not only for language learners but for anyone looking to grasp the core principles that many societies strive to uphold. So, let's get started and explore what unity and liberty truly mean and why they are so important. Unity refers to the state of being united or joined as a whole. It's about coming together, regardless of our differences, to work towards common goals and interests. In unity, there is strength. When people stand together, they can achieve more than they can alone. Unity is often associated with teamwork, solidarity, and harmony. It's a powerful concept that highlights the importance of cooperation and collective action in achieving something greater. Moving on to liberty. This term signifies the state of being free within society from oppressive restrictions imposed by authority on one's way of life, behavior, or political views. It's about having the freedom to choose, to speak, to act, and to live as one wishes, as long as it doesn't harm others. Liberty is a cornerstone of democracy and is essential for the expression of individuality. It emphasizes personal freedom, independence, and the right to self-determination. Now, you might wonder, how do unity and liberty work together? It's a delicate balance. Unity brings people together to work towards common goals, while liberty ensures that individuals have the freedom to express themselves, make choices, and pursue their happiness. In a healthy society, unity does not mean conformity, and liberty does not mean selfishness. Instead, they support each other. Unity fosters a sense of belonging and cooperation, which can protect and enhance liberty. Meanwhile, liberty allows for diversity and individuality within a unified group or society. Unity and liberty are fundamental for the well-being of individuals and societies. Unity allows us to collaborate and achieve great things, while liberty ensures that our fundamental rights and freedoms are protected. Together, they create a society where individuals can freely contribute to a collective goal, leading to progress, innovation, and a harmonious community. I hope this video has helped you understand the profound meanings and importance of unity and liberty. These principles are not just abstract concepts but are actionable values that can guide us in creating a better world for ourselves and future generations. Remember, by embracing both unity and liberty, we can work towards a society that celebrates both our collective strength and our individual freedoms. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.